lods, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Dumpay. Papunta tayo ngayon ng bayan ng Basista mga lods. Bayan ng Basista. Ito yung highway na papuntang Basista, yan papuntang San Carlos mga lods. Pag dumiretso mo ito papuntang Bayambang mga lods.
And then you can remember. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.
Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa tapat ng munisipyo ng Basista mga lods. Ayan o.
That's what friends are for.
Munisipyo ng Basista.
Keep it up in me. Now there's so much more I see. And so
Shoutout kay sir, nabusi na sa atin.
well, I close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then you can remember. Oh, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good time.
Ayan, nandito na po tayo sa may bayan ng Basista mga lods.
Oh, that's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can
Ayan o. Bayan ng Basista mga lods. Bayan ng Basista. Diba?
That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep
Dito na tayo sa papuntang Obreston, no? Sige lang, boss. Ayan na, dito yung likod ng bayan ng Basista mga lods. Ayan, dito lang ang aking vlog mga lods. Maraming salamat.